Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make Pakistani French toast. First, gather your ingredients: fresh bread, eggs, milk, and sugar. For that special Pakistani touch, you'll also need a pinch of ground cardamom and a dash of cinnamon. Make sure your bread is slightly thick-cut for the best texture. Have a shallow dish ready for dipping, and let's get started on this delicious breakfast. Now, let's create the heart of our French toast, the batter. In a medium bowl, crack 2 eggs and whisk them well. Add about 1/4 cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of sugar, then mix until combined. This is where the magic happens. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom and a pinch of cinnamon. Whisk everything until it's perfectly smooth and fragrant. With your batter ready, it's time to dip and fry. Take each slice of bread and quickly immerse it in the batter, ensuring both sides are coated but not soggy. Heat a non-stick pan over medium heat with a tablespoon of oil or butter. Place the dipped bread slices in the hot pan. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color and a slightly crispy edge. Your Pakistani French toast is now ready to be enjoyed. Serve these delightful slices warm, perhaps with a drizzle of honey, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a side of fresh fruit. This sweet and aromatic breakfast is perfect for any morning. For other great deals and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, make sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy eating.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.